Welcome home to 299 Travelers Creek Drive in Auburndale. This impressive 6-bedroom, 3-bath home is located in the gated Juliana Village community and has an incredible amount of space to offer. Inside, you'll find a bright, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and beautiful LVP flooring throughout with no carpet anywhere in the home. The kitchen is spacious and open, flowing seamlessly into the main living areas and creating a layout that's perfect for hosting and entertaining. Plus, there's a large walk-in pantry with tons of extra storage. The spacious primary suite features a walk-in closet and a spa-like private bathroom. Outside is the real showstopper, your own private heated screened-in pool and spa surrounded by a beautiful paver deck, perfect for enjoying all year round. Add in a 3-car garage and this home really has it all. Contact Elliott Eijo Group for more information or visit mylakelandhome.com.